State-owned telecommunications firm Powertel has yet to respond to detailed corruption allegations raised against acting managing director Willard Nyagwande, despite questions sent by this publication seeking official comment. Sarabina Mashkobranyu questions Powertel silent as leaked corruption doc services. Don't about subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Team now questions. The silence follows the emergence of a formally issued document by Citizens Against Corruption (CAC), dated 17 March 2026. It marked for public distribution, which lays out a series of specific governance, financial, and procurement concerns within the company. The complaint asserts that Powertel is experiencing severe internal dysfunction at the executive level, directly linking the instability to Nyangwande's leadership. According to the document, persistent confrontations between the acting managing director and senior management have created an environment of hostility and instability, undermining internal cohesion and operational effectiveness. These are not framed as isolated disputes, but as sustained executive level breakdowns affecting the organization's core functioning. Fraud case highlights weak internal controls. At the center of the revelations is a reported fraud incident involving a junior employee who allegedly siphoned significant funds from the company. The document attributes this to financial mismanagement and weak internal controls, indicating systemic vulnerabilities. More critically, the complaint says that circumstances surrounding the case suggest that Nyangwande knew about it and did nothing, raising the possibility of high-level negligence or complicity. It further calls for investigation into whether he may have been an indirect beneficiary, an allegation that, while serious, requires formal verification. Roma developments are kudapangwa na comment section medu za furo emo tukipa msoro page chitko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.